guys, this is Brad, and I'm an author who wrote 39 books so far, and one of my books is available for free for 3 days on Amazon, and it's titled How to Lose 40 Pounds Naturally. In the beginning of this book, I put my driver's license showing that I used to be 165 pounds. And as you see in the photo, I'm 125 pounds right now. And if other diet method didn't work out for you, just feel free to check this book, especially when it's free. Basically, I believe Americans are eating too much. Even though the food cost or meal cost is very expensive in America, but people just eating too much. That's the reason. So check this book out and motivate yourself. Stop eating over the Thanksgiving and stay thin.